Time goes by. It's just a measurement refined to help us decide what mattered most inside. But you are different. You're always in my head. I thought time grows as distant, but you get closer as time goes and starts again. Breathe in slow. We don't always have to know it's coming around. Just listen to the sound of the longings. They put in perspective what really matters. Every day that time goes and starts again. So hold on, weary heart. You would learn to love again. Wait and just hold strong. Let the tension set us apart. A love that's worth waiting is what any man adores. 'Cause when it comes to living, love is worth dying for. You are different. You're always in my head. I thought time would grow us distant, but you get closer as time goes and starts again.
Get out of your head, young one. Don't let the fear consume you. Wander as far as you wanna go and use that light to follow through. We are the ones to pretend, but we are the ones to never give in. No matter what the world throws at us, you always have me, and I have you. Don't speak a word of regret. Your defeat won't go unnoticed. Fear is the only real danger, so don't let it break your focus. Takes so much to get out of bed. It's hard to forgive, but don't you forget, no matter what the world throws at us, you always have me, and I have you. I have you. misinformation. Fight the flames of intimidation. Don't be fooled by misinformation. Fight the flames of intimidation. Don't be fooled by misinformation. Fight the flames of intimidation. Don't be fooled by misinformation.